Hello, and welcome. You are watching Step Up Medicine's video on pancreatic secretions. Your stomach starts digestion, but the pancreas finishes the job. In this video, we'll cover pancreatic enzymes and bicarbonate, how bicarbonate is made and secreted, hormonal and neural regulation, and key clinical links like cystic fibrosis and pancreatitis. The pancreas has both endocrine and exocrine roles. In digestion, we care about the exocrine pancreas, which delivers enzymes and bicarbonate to the duodenum. Secretory cell types. Acinar cells produce digestive enzymes. Ductal cells secrete bicarbonate-rich fluid. Both secretions enter the duodenum via the pancreatic duct, joining bile at the ampulla of Vata. Acinar cells secrete amylase, which digests starch, lipase, which breaks down fats and works with bile. They also secrete proteases to break down proteins. Proteases are secreted as inactive zymogens to prevent self-digestion. Trypsinogen, secreted by the pancreas, is activated to trypsin by enteropeptidase in the duodenum. Trypsin then activates chymotrypsin and other proteases. These then further activate more and more proteases. This enzyme cascade is essential for digesting proteins. When acidic chyme enters the duodenum, it must be neutralized. That's where bicarbonate comes in. Secreted by ductal cells, bicarbonate buffers stomach acid, raises pH to 7 to 8, optimal for enzyme activity, protects the duodenal lining. Without it, enzymes don't work, and the mucosa is vulnerable. Here's how ductal cells produce bicarbonate. Carbon dioxide from blood combines with water inside the cell. Carbonic anhydrase catalyzes the reaction to make carbonic acid, which dissociates into hydrogen ions and bicarbonate. Bicarbonate is transported into the ductal lumen via a chloride/bicarbonate exchanger. CFTR channels recycle chloride ions to keep the exchanger running. The leftover hydrogen ions are transported into the bloodstream, causing a mild acid tide. Brain and cystic fibrosis, defective CFTR channels reduce HCO secretion, leading to thick, acidic pancreatic secretions that can block ducts. First up, secretin. Secretin is released from S cells in the duodenum in response to acid. It stimulates the pancreatic ductal cells to secrete bicarbonate, helping to neutralize stomach acid as it enters the small intestine. Next, cholecystokinin, or CCK. CCK is released from I cells in response to fats and proteins in the chyme. It stimulates acinar cells in the pancreas to secrete digestive enzymes. CCK also triggers the gallbladder to contract, releasing bile to assist in fat digestion. And finally, the vagus nerve. Vagal stimulation enhances both enzyme and bicarbonate secretion during the cephalic and gastric phases of digestion. This is part of the parasympathetic nervous system's rest and digest response. Quick mnemonic to remember. Secretin is your pH saver. It brings in bicarbonate. CCK is your digestive enzyme master. It handles proteins, fats, enzymes, and bile release. Pancreatic insufficiency can cause serious digestive problems. First, cystic fibrosis. In this condition, thick pancreatic secretions block the ducts. As a result, enzymes can't reach the small intestine. This leads to poor digestion, malabsorption, and fatty stools, a condition called steatorrhea. Next, chronic pancreatitis. Schwammer. This is long-term inflammation of the pancreas. Uricid damages the acinar cells and reduces enzyme production. Over time, digestion becomes less effective, and patients may lose weight or develop vitamin deficiencies. Then we have Zollinger-Ellison syndrome. This rare condition causes the stomach to produce too much acid. The excess acid enters the small intestine and inactivates pancreatic enzymes. Without working enzymes, digestion and absorption are impaired. In all of these conditions, pancreatic enzyme replacement therapy may be needed. It helps restore proper digestion and improves nutrient absorption. Let's do a quick recap. Dorabon. The liver plays a central role in metabolism, detoxification, and bile production. Dorabon hovaratiton. Dorabon. Bile salts help emulsify fats and are recycled through the enterohepatic circulation. Bilirubin metabolism is key to understanding the different types of jaundice. And finally, the hormone CCK coordinates bile release during meals. Here is a quick question to test your knowledge. What enzyme activates trypsinogen? A. Lipase. B. Pepsin. C. Enteropeptidase. D. Chymotrypsin. Comment your answers below. If this helped clarify your basics, like and subscribe for more high-yield videos. Up next, liver and bile. Thanks for watching, and keep stepping up your knowledge.